Did you know that if you add mayonnaise to a kilo of meat cut into small cubes, then stir and put 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan and let this butter melt, then add a chopped onion and then add the meat with mayonnaise and let this meat fry until golden brown. Add a teaspoon of paprika, salt to taste, a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of mustard, and stir very well. Then add 200 milliliters of cream, stir again, let it cook for 5 minutes, and finally finish with chopped parsley and chives. You have the real beef stroganoff. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.